Hello students, welcome to RJ Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding scope of Master of Public Health MPH. So scope and job opportunities for Master of Public Health MPH course will be discussed in this video. And in this video, jobs for Master of Public Health MPH job profile, various job profile in which MPH Master of Public Health graduates can work. This information will be given, and name of the some of the companies, some of the important companies in which Master of Public Health MPH student can get placement. So these information will also be discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other courses entrance exams like Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, एम्स रायपुर, एम्स ऋषिकेश, एम्स जोधपुर, सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज वेल्लोर, जिपमेर पुडुचेरी, निमहांस बेंगलोर, IIPH, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, SGPGI लखनऊ, KGMU लखनऊ, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, PGI MER चंडीगढ़, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, Master of Public Health, MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So in this video, information regarding scope and job opportunities for Master of Public Health MPH course will be given. Scope of Master of Public Health MPH. The scope for Master of Public Health graduates is huge. Candidates with a good academic record and little experience within the discipline can assume an excellent beginning for a career in health science. So candidates who have a good academic record and has a little experience, they can assume an excellent beginning for a career in health science. Job possibilities are to be had for the MPH graduates from government to private hospitals. So students after completing MPH course, they can get jobs in government or private hospitals, NGOs and different healthcare units. After finishing the Master of Public Health course, college students are required to work on enhancing health through creating recognition amongst young people at the significance of healthcare and extraordinary method to keep away from diseases. The course permits college students to learn subjects which include environmental science, sociology, public policy and education within FLIP. Now no longer best enlarges the scope and know-how, however gets deeper as well. This prepares the applicant to carry out all types of challenging roles, jobs and get leadership qualities too. There are numerous industries in health sciences that hire MPH graduates for the role of social workers to work in extraordinary sections for case control. So numerous industries in health sciences exist that hire MPH graduates for the role of social worker to work in extraordinary sections for case control. This is one of the satisfactory ways to get in contact with public management and learn health enhancement processes and solutions. Jobs for Master of Public Health MPH. So here some of the profiles has been discussed in which students after Master of Public Health MPH course can get a job profile, job description. So first job profile is bioterrorism researcher, and its description is bioterrorism researchers are the experts who are given to the duty to acquire records to discoverability dangers to the general public, discover method to make certain public protection, work with policymakers to set up protocols that increase safety and broaden strategies for quick response to bioterrorist attacks. Next job profile is biosecurity specialist. So this is a description for biosecurity specialist. A biosecurity specialist is tasked with growing and implementing specific protection measures associated with biosecurity. Biosecurity specialists are required to create plans and develop new procedures to make certain that a populace inside a region together with any public health professionals present has a protection protocol to comply with should a biological emergency or risk occur. Next profile is assistant environmental scientist. Its description is the assistant environmental scientist aids a team of environmental scientists with their studies inside the field. The job profile of an assistant environmental scientist consists of many. So as we are discussing, next job profile is assistant environmental scientist, and its job description is the assistant environmental scientist aids a team of environmental scientists with their studies inside the field. The job profile of an assistant environmental scientist consists of many specific obligations concerning environmental and public health, and someone may have the choice to work locally or abroad on the general public health of various populations. Next job profile is epidemiologist. Epidemiologist is the next job profile, and its description is epidemiologists are required to plot and direct research of public health issues to discover methods to prevent and treat the problems. They also are responsible for collecting and analyzing records together with the usage of observations, interviews, surveys and samples of blood or different bodily fluids to discover the reasons for disease or different health issues. A health informatics specialist is a person who is not always at the front stands of healthcare. Generally, they can't be found roaming the halls of hospitals or interacting with patients, but as computer system and technology end up an increasing number of all around the place, they play a crucial role in inside the medical care all of us receive. Next job profile is community activists. So community activists are accountable for figuring out the desires of the network in phases of fitness and addressing those with the aid of using lobbying for brand spanking new packages and services. Next job profile is assistant public health professor. Assistant public health professor trains others on this position, however, especially when it comes to public health in general. Next job profile is health center administrator. Its description is a health center administrator is important to the features of public health when administering healthcare, treatment, cures, etc. Organization and management are of maximum priority. Next job profile is NGO director. NGO directors are accountable for the growth and development of NGOs. Next job profile is outcomes researcher. Its description is an outcome researcher handles the analysis of the final results of any healthcare practice or program. They gather information from healthcare facilities, NGOs, corporations, authorities, agencies and different assets in which healthcare packages and practices are implemented. Next job profile is reproductive health specialist. Its description is a reproductive health specialist is critical to all communities with the task position concerning the very supply of developing a population. Reproductive health is particularly essential because it has to do with the network and its maximum susceptible groups, women and children. Next job profile is tropical disease specialist. Its description is a tropical disease specialist is an expert in diseases that unfold in tropical parts of the world. Next job profile is biostatisticians. Its description is biostatisticians collect applicable information, numbers and data for getting to know public health, environmental science and medicine. Biostatisticians are important to the organization and management of public health work. Next job profile is management policy advisor. Its description is management policy advisors are accountable for knowing the management, public policy, legislation and organizing the operation of such areas. So some important job profiles I am giving in short again. Job profile for public health graduates, Master of Public Health graduates. First is bioterrorism researcher, next is biosecurity specialist, next is assistant environmental scientist, next is epidemiologist, next is health informatics specialist, next is community activist, next is assistant public health professor, next is health center administrator, next is NGO, next is outcomes researcher, next is reproductive health specialist, next is tropical disease specialist, next is biostatisticians, next is management policy advisor. So these are some of the positions that students can get after Master of Public Health course. Now some of the name of some of the companies that can hire Master of Public Health graduates. Placement for Master of Public Health, MPH student get jobs in these companies like Cadila, Napier Healthcare, United Health Group, next is Infosys, next is Wipro, next is Religare, next is Trident, next Ernst & Young, next is NTPC, next is Accenture, next Philips, next is Vodafone, next is Adobe, next is Deloitte, next is Apollo Hospitals, next is Artemis, next is Fortis, next is Max Healthcare, next is Ranbaxy. So these are some of the companies. Next is Columbia Asia. So these are the name of the some of the companies in which students after Master of Public Health course can get a job. So in this video, information regarding Master of Public Health course, placement and job opportunities and scope has been discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other entrance exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.